Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to change your theme on Samsung Galaxy. So, to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. First you need to do is to go to settings. In this page, as you see, you will find this window of themes, wallpapers, icons, and you will enter here. So as you see here, we'll find Galaxy themes. So as you see here, there are themes you have to pay to get them like this, but they are also free theme. As you see in this page, when you go to top here, you will find free themes, so you can choose any theme you want. But if you don't get this sign or this window of top, you can go to this sign here and you can search for themes that you want. For example, pink free themes like this. And here in this page you will find all themes that are in pink. As you see, you can get all of them. And also you can get here wallpaper if you have to add it, and also icons to change the icons too. So now we will go to know how to change themes. You can go to top here, you will find free themes, and for example we go to this theme here to change it, and as you see you will find this page. You can also here find descriptions. You can know how it appears in this photos like this, and then here we'll find download. So you will wait a moment until it is installed, and when it's finished you have to click on apply like this. So as you see here, before it is like this. So when we apply it, you will click here, and you will wait a moment again. As you see here, you will find it's changed like this. As you see now, it's totally changed in that way here. So this is how you can change your theme on Samsung Galaxy in easy way. So if this video is helpful for you, or if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.